On this fateful day, we arrived at the hospital by 6 a.m. to go home with our bundle of joy. And this is the room I will be staying. If you want to give birth in a bathtub, they have bathtub for you over here. But for me, I will be lying down giving birth. So I'm already here waiting for the nurses, the doctors to come and weigh me to the cesarean section room. This is my second CS. Baby number one was also CS, which was not up to 2 years. I had him a year and 6 months now. That's why I opted for CS for baby number two. But the doctors refused to give me CS, but as God may have it, because I don't want to push anything out, then the baby is like he heard my cry, and at the last moment, the baby changed position. For Mona, my first son, he was breached from the first time I came to ultrasound, but Zina has been lying in a perfect position till this last minute. It's like he heard my cry and also breathed. Now his head is up and his legs are down, so no other option than going for CS. And the placenta is also lying in front and is so low, which is another risk if I want to push out the baby. And by God's grace, everything went perfectly well, and baby Zinachimdinma is here. He's already hungry. See the movement of his lips. So before I have to carry him back to my room, they need to check his well-being, everything about him, the circumference of his head, the length, the weight, and other stuffs. So sorry that I didn't take you guys along with me. Here in Norway, you are not allowed to go in with any gadgets when you are giving birth with CS. But if it is not with CS, you can go in with your gadget. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and also share out my video with your family, your friends, and your colleagues. Also subscribe to my channel if you've not done that. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm back to my room, so hungry, so I have to eat the soup and agidi that I came with. The nurses have helped me to warm it in the kitchen, so now I'm so famished. I need to dig in. I will talk to you guys later. You know that you don't talk while eating, don't mind me. I'm doing voiceover though. Guys, see this agidi and this pepper soup is a lifesaver. It saved me, and it made my breast milk to start flowing that very day, that same day that I gave birth, because it was so hot. I wasn't lying well, so I have to raise the bed a bit so I can sit up and eat the food. The recipe to this pepper soup and this white agidi will be coming up next, so stay tuned and watch the video. And here is my bundle of joy, baby Zinachimdinma, sleeping and resting, getting ready to come and suck breast. And in the evening, this is what I had: oats and the bread with milk, cheese, paprika, and honey. The oats will make the breast milk to flow. The honey will make my suture to heal. And here is the tea. I had this after eating. This is just yellow label. And baby Zina is crying, so hubby is trying to soothe him. So guys, here are some of the pictures we took after delivery. Can you see how beautiful your babe was looking? And here is Zina looking so cute. And here is Daddy Zina looking so handsome. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my video. May God bless each and every one of you. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share my video, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye, and see you in my next video. God bless you.